Today's lesson is the use of have to and has to. Who can tell me the difference and the usage? Mr. De Guzman. Not me?
So, what is this? Nobody read the assignments at home? Nobody read their lesson?
Why are you late, Mr. Tolentino?
Ano po kasi ma'am? Bili po ako ng
Let me remind you, this is English class.
I bought a pen, ma'am.
Sit down and bring out your book.
Yan si Ma'am Evangelista. Stricto, laging nakasimangot, nakakatakot. Para siyang pinaglilihi ng sama ng loob.
Yes, Mr. Tolentino? Late again, Mr. Tolentino? Remove your
Parang
earrings!
kada araw lang may issue si Ma'am.
Where is your book? How can you read the lesson?
Pero kahit ganyan siya, siya pa rin ang favorite teacher ko.
I'm really worried about your grades and your habitual tardiness.
Sorry po, ma'am. Hindi po mauli.
May problema ba sa bahay?
Wala naman po.
Nandito lang ako kapag kailangan mo ng kausap. Ako ang nanay mo sa school.
Dahil kay Ma'am, natuto akong mag-English. Dahil kay Ma'am, nahilig akong magbasa.
Yes! Tingnan mo, nakapasa ko.
Ay, wait!
Nakapasa ko.
Okay!
Dahil kay Ma'am, natuto ako.
Oh, you're early. Number 1, compound nouns. Number 2, festive verb. Number 3, Mr. Tolentino. Is he going to be my teacher? Yes, okay, teacher. Hi, teacher.
Ang cute mo naman. What's your name?
Ace po.
Ikaw na ang bahala sa apo ko, ha?